Aman is simple, effective, unique names. Yeah. So, for example, the system, like I said, right, yesterday I explained ability, adaptability, actionability, accountability. It's my four-step system, right? It can be lot. I mean, I can't. There are a lot of work students have done. You can say awareness. You know what? That is a unique name. So you will have to come up with for awareness. What are the unique name you can come up with, right? So that mindset, strategy, tools, and skills, that you have to come up with a unique name for that. As I said, for my entrepreneurship program, I said it's a 4A system, which is ability, adaptability, actionability, and accountability. It's a four-step system. It is easier to explain because you have to give unique names, because then people feel that there is a new offering. If you say simply time management, it does not register. I mean, it is like, okay, one more course. But if you can come up with a unique name for that course, for example, knowledge business models, as I said, it's a name, right? I can say true independence model, or I can say gold business model, right? So everything that you do, the course name to your system to everything should be have some interesting, catchy names. So not just, yeah, course also and system also. Okay, your system, because it, for example, I instead of saying GPS, see, instead of just earlier I used to just say that it's very important to write a great content. You just have to gain pain. I used to say gain. It was called. It was not gain pain system. The order was what is the pain in the market? How are your customers going to benefit from out of your unique solution? These three questions I had. What is your unique solution? How are your customers going to benefit from your solution, and what is the problem you're solving in the market? This is how I would take it, as three different questions. But then I realized that people will not remember that, and that's why I try to make something out of it. And I realized I can call it GPS, and the way it worked out is it's an anchor, and it is working beautifully for me. So you will never forget the GPS system now, right? So that is what, you whatever are your things you try to. I just took the first alphabet and I'm calling it a GPS system. Like for last session, we had a person in spiritual offering, and she had put a better system. Now I will see if I have her work. So it was awakening, awareness, awakening, unique something was there. You with some word was unleash, awareness, awakening, unleash, unlock, something like that she had. Okay, so it was for I. It could say Shakti Kapoor used to say "ow," right? So it's my "ow" system. But then I was just I happened to add two more things to it, and M and M, or she was saying A square U square system. Okay, A square U square. But then I also made a recommendation that she can call it OM system. Acknowledge, whatever, awareness, awaken, awareness, acknowledge something was there, unleash, unlock, and M, I said manifestation, and M, one more M, miracles. So it became our OM system. So I have an OM system from which I help people awaken the divine feminine within them, like that. Okay, so it in short. So what is this OM system? It's like that. Right? That is another way she can represent it. Why? Because it registers when you do something different, it registers in the mind of the people. So not just the system, your course name also should be unique in less than 2-3 words. Your system should also stand out, like my GPS system I'm talking about, right? Now for my knowledge business, I have a separate system, right? I mean, I'm not covering that here, but everything that I do, I'm trying to you identify it uniquely, right? 6P system, 6P process, right? Like that, something like that. Okay. So that way, that itself becomes a huge, identifier for you. So that is what I mean when I say that unique names for the system.